Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you withdraw your money or your balance on Vinted. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Vinted on your preferred web browser and make sure that you're logged in with your account. In the top right corner, choose your account menu and then click on settings. So the first things first that you need to do is click on payments on the left hand side and then choose your withdrawal options right here. So add your bank account. You'll fill in all this information and then click on save. Then again in the top right corner, navigate onto this menu one more time and then you will click on balance. Now you'll have to activate your balance here, and then once you activate it, and once you fill in all of the withdrawal information, you will be able to withdraw your balance and your money that you've got by selling on Vinted. So essentially, that's the fastest way. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.